Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3074, Apple redistribution into boxes. So I'm just going to read out the spec here. You're given an array apple of size n and an array capacity of size m. There are n packs where the ith pack contains apple at index I apples. There are m boxes as well, with the ith box having a capacity at index I apples. Return the minimum number of boxes you'd need to select to redistribute these n packs of apples into boxes. Example 1, we've got 3 packs of apples, one has 1 in it, the other has 3 apples, the other has 2, and we've got boxes of size 4, 3, 1, 5 and 2. We'll use boxes 4 and 5 to distribute them. It's possible to distribute the apples as the total capacity is greater than or equal to the number of total apples. So first of all we use 5. And that gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1 left over, and so we use box number 4. We could have used any of the other boxes here, but it doesn't really matter. So the output is 2. We need 2 boxes. Constraints, there's going to be between 1 and 50 apples, or 1 and 50 boxes of apples. There's going to be between 1 and 50 boxes that we can distribute into, and each apple, or in each pack of apples, or in each box that apples could be distributed into, there's going to be between 1 and 50. So let's go over to my notes here, ideas. So I think the first thing that we have to do is find out how many apples we need to actually find space for. So find total amount of apples we need to distribute. Next thing we need to do is sort the sort the capacity array. Go to and or sort capacity in descending order. Next we're going to do is iterate through capacity. Add box capacity to running total if it's less. We're gonna first thing we need to do is add 1 to increment boxes used by 1. Add box capacity to running total if it's add box capacity to running total if running total is less than, if the running total is less than amount of apples, continue, otherwise break out of loop. And then we're going to return boxes used. So let's take this and implement it. Let's take this and we're going to comment it out. So, total amount of apples is going to be, total apples is going to be equal to the sum of apple. Iterate or sort the capacity, so we're going to do capacity is equal to sorted capacity reverse equals true. And then we're going to print capacity to see if this has worked right. So we get capacity is 4. Oh, I need to comment there, that's why. Reverse is an invalid keyword for sort. In that case, that's fine. There's another way to do this. We can just use slicing to reverse. Okay, we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what we want. Then we're gonna iterate. So for capacity n, or for box n capacity, what we're going to do is boxes used plus equals 1. Need to initialize that to 0 to begin with. Then we're going to need a total as well. Call it running underscore total. That's going to start off at 0 as well. Add box capacity to running total, so running total plus equals box. Okay. If running underscore total is less than total apples, then we're going to continue. Otherwise, we're going to, or no, we're just going to keep going. Oh no, else we're going to break. We're going to break, and we're going to return boxes underscore used. Let's try this. These test cases passed. Let's hit submit. And all of the test cases got accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So maybe you had a solution that was a bit different, a bit more efficient, you know, whatever. Love discussing these. So please feel free to leave a comment. Yep. Thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.